What's up, Peak Timers? We have been waiting what seems like almost all year for this case to arrive. The 2019 Hot Wheels N case. That's right, N case, which has a chance of featuring the brand new Bugatti Chiron. And the super treasure hunt for this case is the Tesla Model S, although I have seen other YouTubers open up this case and they have found the Lamborghini Aventador J super treasure hunt. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. Hopefully we get a Bugatti. Hopefully we get a super treasure hunt. We'll have to find out right now. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. This case was supplied to me by Grana Toys. Grana Toys, if you guys want to get your hands on a case or you want to subscribe to them to send you every case that comes out, check out granatoys.com. Huge shout out to them. They've been a huge help to me. And if you guys want to get yourself a chance to get a Bugatti, go ahead and check out granatoys.com. All right, let's go ahead and pop this one open here. And we'll start it off right at the top, right up there. And I can already see the car one of the cars that I've been really looking forward to getting, which we did get in the 9-pack yesterday. First up though, there is the Tesla Model S, although this is not the supercharged hunt variation, it's just the standard variation, but I'm excited to get another one of those ones. And there is the orange McLaren Senna. Love, love, love this casting. And if you guys saw my 9-pack video, we got this one in the 9-pack the other day. Fairlady 2000, there we go. I think we saw that one in the last case. We'll go through this pretty quickly here. Runway Rescue, looks like a fire truck for the airport. We have got Evil Weevil. Next up, we got the El Camino. And what else do we have here? We've got two of the custom Ford Mavericks. And these ones do look like Zamex, but they're not. They're just the very silver sparkly paint job on them. And after that, we've got the brand new 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Brand new recolor, the white colored variation of it. Nice looking casting. We saw that one in red originally. Up top here, we've got two of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTRs, followed by the Croc Rod. Check that one out. Croc Rod. Very gold, shiny, shiny crocodile. All right, what do we have here? We've got the Dark Knight Batmobile, and we've got another Evil Weevil. And after that, we have got two of the Hover and Outs, followed by the 64 Buick Riviera, and that's an art car with the D on the top there. Very interesting colorway on that one for the art series. What do we have down here? We have got another one of the Runway Rescues. We've got two Volkswagen SP2s. And we have got another one of the Croc Rods, Crescendo, and a Carbide. There we go, some interesting colorways of those fantasy cars. We've got Hologram, followed by Skyboat, and then the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. Some new color variations of those. And check this out, guys. 72 Ranchero with, boom, we did get the Bugattis in the case. Two of them, to be exact. This one's a little bit stuck there. There we go. Two 2016 Bugatti Chirons released in the 2019 set. Two brand new ones. There they are, carded. I've got the open variation of them already, which you guys have seen in previous videos, but we're definitely gonna open these ones up. You know what? Let's just do it right now. You guys love the Bugatti. Let's open one of these up right now so I can have another one of them opened up. There we go. Brand new Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron. Check it out. The car that was most awaited for. It has lived up to the hype. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. So there we go. Bugatti Chiron released in the N case, and I was lucky enough to get one, or get two actually. Then we got the 69 Ford Torino Talladega, followed by Solar Reflex, and the custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. All right, what do we have down here? We have got Tread Shredder, Skyboat, and Robo Race Robocar. And we saw this one in the 9-pack that I got the other day as well. All right, let's go down to our bottom 36 cars. We'll see, there's still a chance we can get a super treasure hunt. Let's hope that we grab one. We've got Turbone Charge, we've got 2 of those, followed by the Corvette Grand Sport, and I think that's a new color variation. I'm liking that Hot Wheels Race Team Corvette Grand Sport. Start stacking cars on this side over here. As I reach on down, we have got Flash Drive, followed by the 72 Ranchero, Ford Ranchero, and the Mazda RX-7. It's a cool looking green color on that RX-7. Put those ones aside. And ooh, I see some Aventador J's. We've got Mach Speeder, new color variation, 2 Lamborghini Aventador J's, and these are non-super treasure hunt variations of them, but there's still a chance we can get a super in there. Hopefully. There's a couple other really good new castings as well in here. Oh, I love this case. Aston Martin DBS, the new black colored variation, Surf and Turf. Check this one out. It's got the surfboard on the top. Isn't that cool? It's a very, very neat casting. Surf and Turf. Then we've got the Baja Hauler. Put those ones aside there. And what else do we got? We got King Cuda, the silver King Cuda, and the brand new purple McLaren 720S. We did see this one in the previous case, but I am in love with this casting. I just love this color variation of the McLaren 720S. Looks fantastic in that purple, and those gray wheels look great. And I've got a little bit of a air type thing on the inside of that car there, some sort of little speck of paint or something, but that's okay. We'll put that aside. What else do we have up here? 72 or 71 El Camino and 2 of the 67 Ford Mustang Coupes. That's part of the Art Car series. Put those ones aside. We've got Beats All, followed by Carbide and a Twin Mill Gen E. And I like the Twin Mill Gen E. A lot of people don't, but I think it's cool. I think it's an interesting casting for a fantasy casting. We'll put those ones aside there. And we got a brand new casting, or sorry, this is not a brand new casting, it's a recolor casting, but new colorway. I love it. 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. There we go. Gorgeous looking blue with those chrome wheels. And then we have got the custom 56 Ford truck in there. New color variation of that one. We've got Electro Silhouette and another Twin Mill Gen E. And what else do we have down here? Getting down to the bottom here. I do see another new casting down below. Stay tuned, guys. Pagani Huayra Black. That one we saw previously. Liking the black though. That looks good. Black with the gray wheels. I'm just loving these wheels. These gray wheels we've seen. We've seen that on the McLaren. We've seen it on a couple other different castings. Beat All recolor. And we've got the Chrysler Pacifica. 2 of those ones. Brand new casting. And the Shark Bruiser. We've seen this casting before, but that's a cool new recolor for that one too. Put those aside. And brand new casting. Here we go. Audi RS5 Coupe. 2 different versions of it, of the RS5 Coupe. Check that one out. Beautiful. I'm loving all the new Audis that they're coming out with. Look at that. Gorgeous Tampa work on the back and the front. Great looking casting. Can't wait to see this one recolored as well. I'm sure we're going to see that recolored very, very soon. But we've got 2 of the Audi RS5 Coupes. And last but not least, we've got bought wheels. All right, guys, case highlights. And this is exactly why I said the 2019 Hot Wheels End Case is the best Hot Wheels case release ever. Period, ever. The best case ever released. Check out the highlight cars from this case. Starting it off with the brand new Audi RS5 Coupe and the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. Then, of course, we have the brand new Bugatti Chiron. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the Chiron. Here's the one that we opened up again so you guys can see. Such a gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful looking casting. And we'll follow that one up by the Lamborghini Aventador J and the Tesla Model S. Brand new recolors of those. And then I'm really liking this Corvette, underrated casting, Corvette Grand Sport Hot Wheels Race Team, followed up by the McLaren Senna in orange. And to top that one off, another McLaren. We've got the 720S in the new purple color and the brand new recolor of the Honda Civic Type R. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, which was your favorite car from this case. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say Bugatti. Of course, the Bugatti is beautiful. It's definitely my favorite car from this case, followed by that Senna, the orange Senna. But such a great case. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.